welcome back to my channel Arun Mass Play. And today, after a lot of time, I'm going to be shooting a video with my dolls, like playing videos. But today we are not going to make any playing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make doll juice at home without anybody. This is very easy. But before we begin, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. Also, ring the bell icon if you haven't yet. And if you like our videos, just give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to make us a comment every week. So now let me begin because it's enough with the chitter chatter. So now, today I'm having Ellen with me right here. Hey there guys, how are you? Yeah, I was also going to ask that. Okay, so Ellen, no chitter chatter. Now I'm going to show you and I'm going to show you guys how to make the doll juice. So guys, there are two types of doll juice. So do you know which one are we making today? Okay, let me tell you. So we are today making sketch pen doll juice at home. So in this way you will not need anyone. You can just make it alone. So now let me show you how. So first of all, what you need is some tissue paper. I already made some, that's why the scraps are there. Then we need some water. So this is Vedika natural mountain water from the Himalayas. And today we need lots of sketch pens, but I'm going to be only using two. Let me show you. Whole bundle of sketch pens. So, but we are not going to use the whole bundle. So today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry juice. So for raspberry juice we are going to need red and pink color. So also don't forget, you will also need the doll's bottle, the drinking bottle, that's this doll's sippy cup, or a container. So here I just have a transparent plastic container to show you guys. Okay guys, so let me show you now. Okay guys, I hope you are able to see now. So now I'm going to first do what? You guys might be wondering. So I'm going to use this tissue paper that's over here, right here. And we are going to use these two sketch pens. So there's one red and there's one pink. So while making raspberry juice, keep one thing in mind, that not too much pink. You should use like red the most, like this. See, it's coming really red. A dark reddish color. Like not dark reddish color, a primary red color. It's coming right over here. And guys, be careful when you are making doll juice on a tissue paper with sketch pens, because if you just rub the paper too much while making, see guys what happened. So it might tear up. See guys what happened right now. So you guys might be very careful, should be very careful when making it on tissue paper. Okay, so we are almost done with the red. Wow, red really got this. It's looking like blood. Okay, so now I'm going to use this pink now. The pink sketch pen. So see, I'm using this little bit. Wow, the pink one seems a little more. So what you have to do, you have to just put 50% of red and like 30% or 20% of the pink. Okay guys, so here is it ready. I'm using 3-4 layered ones so that it becomes too good. Not too good or too bad. So I'm using this 2-3-4 layers of this. Whoa. I'm just staring over here guys. You can just cut it also. Wow, lots of layers came out. See guys? Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to take the container over here or the doll's sippy cup. Okay, sorry. And pour the water in. Oh, that's a lot of water. I'll add just a little more. Okay, that's a lot. Then add this juice. See guys. Whoa, that's definitely red. Now see guys, it cannot be made by like just putting it into the water. So we have to shake it up. So this is why I'm going to put up the lid tightly and I'll shake it as tightly as I can and as fast as I can. Okay, so I'm done shaking. Whoa, it still turned out to be red, but still it looks good enough. Okay, so now I'm going to throw this paper out, and this is the leftover color that came on the tissue paper. Okay guys, so see, it might be looking as it's too much neon red because like it's kept on the red napkin, that's why. So the actual color is like this, it's super red, but don't worry, like if it turns out to be too much pink or too much red, it might be no problem at all. You can make it as cherry juice. Mom, I'm not sure that how did you made it. Okay, Ellen, if you're not sure, I'm going to show you again later after this video. Okay, Ellen? Okay, Mommy. Okay, guys. So, I had made only one over here. So, I wanted to show that I almost every day make so many juice. Like juice colors. See, guys? There's one cherry and there's orange and there's a lot colors. Orange, blueberry, mango and so on. There's watermelon even and raspberry. Okay, so now I'm going to show you 3 more color juices that I had made before only. So this is the red one. And here are some more, 3 more. So first of all, at the bottom there is a blue color juice. That is the blueberry juice. The above one of that is the mint juice. And the toppest of that is the chocolate juice. So with this we have made our juice, and also with this we come to our end of the video. So guys, I hope you understood how to make doll juice at home, and I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and please comment as remember. And this is me, Arunima, going out with Ellen. Bye guys, see you next time in our next video.